Okay guys, so I've got a really exciting way for you to make money today. I've been researching this for a couple of days and going over a few things with it, just logging in myself, setting up and making sure that everything is absolutely spot on. So if you are interested in different ways to make money online, if you want to stay at home and get out of the rat race and you want to do something different, then stay tuned and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money from home. So what I'm going to be talking about is how you can actually sell your products online, but this isn't just any type of product. This is where you can get creative. So we're going to take a t-shirt or a hoodie or a phone case, a tote bag, whatever. There's loads and loads of different products available on this site for sale. They give you the raw material and you design it, you sell it, and then you make money. And the best part about it, you don't have to leave your house, you don't have to order anything, and you need no credit card or money up front to start. It is absolutely completely free and you get to be creative. Okay, so I'm going to jump straight into the video now and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. But before we do that, if you are interested in ways to make money online, if you're interested in building an online business and affiliate marketing, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit on that bell notification so that you don't miss a video whenever we come out with them. And of course, comment in the section down below and interact with us. Let us know what kind of videos you want us to put out for you and let us know what you think of the videos we've already put out. We are always looking for new content to create to give you as many ideas as possible for you to use to make yourself some money right from the comfort of your own home. So with that said, I'm now going to get into my computer and I'm going to show you exactly what we're talking about and how you can use this method to make yourself some money at home. The first site I want to talk to you about is called Teespring. And the reason we're going to talk about Teespring is because inside Teespring you can actually create your own products, and they do things from everything from apparel all the way down to cups, mugs. They do tote bags, they do die cut stickers and everything in between. Let me go through a few of the things on here with you. As you can see here, we've got men's t-shirts, women's t-shirts, hoodies and sweaters. We've got tank tops, kids and babies, just absolutely bunches. You can go through and choose whatever is going to be suitable for you and you know what you enjoy to make, what you enjoy creating. Tailor it to your niche and what it is that you want to sell. So as long as you've got some ideas on what you think you'll be good at doing, then you're already onto a winner. So what we do, the first thing we do is we have to create an account with Teespring. So you start on the front screen and you'll get the option to log in or create an account. So when you click log in, it gives you the option to create an account should you need to. And then you can go through and do all that. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a minute. I've already done it. And you can see here what's already selling and you know the different people that are already selling on here. And now this is really great because when you do your products through Teespring, you don't have to create your own e-commerce store, all right? It is an e-commerce store, but it's different in the fact that everything is already set up inside Teespring. All you need to do is create your product. So you'll give yourself a little name, but you don't have to go through the ins and outs of setting it all up. You don't have to order products from anybody else, and you don't have to then order them to ship them. Teespring do everything. All you do is create what you want and then put them for sale. You choose your price and you drive traffic to your site so that you can make your sales. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go in and log in, and it'll ask you here if you want to log in. If you don't have an account, you sign up. Okay, so we hit sign up, you put your email password in, confirm it, sign up, or you can sign up with either Facebook or Google. I did email and I already have an account already set up there, so I'm just going to sign in, and then you just literally start designing. You can have a look at what they have to offer, and they've got all of these in apparel, all of these different ones you can choose from. Home decor, they have canvas prints, pillows, etc., socks, phone cases. They do accessories from beach towels to tote bags, and they do mugs. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go with apparel, and we're just going to look at t-shirts. So I'm going to go to start designing, and inside here you can see the different things they have on offer. So we're just going to start with something really simple, and we're going to go with unisex t-shirts, and you pick the one you like, so a classic tee or a comfort tee, and you can see the product cost right here. Now this is important because this is what it's going to cost you. When you design this, this is what the product cost to you is going to be. So you need to make sure that you price your product above that, and you decide what you decide what profit you want to make, and then you set the price accordingly, knowing exactly what the base price is going to be for you. So let's go with this one, for instance, $10 start, and we want to, you can either buy it and design it yourself, or you can buy it and list it to make money. So we're going to go with sell, and you get a t-shirt here. Now I'm going to give you some really good tips along the way to make sure that you actually choose the best products to sell, the most popular selling and the best selling products and colours as we go through. So here we're just going to change the colour so we can see it a little better, and we just click on here, and let's go with the black one. Let's be boring. Actually no, let's not be boring, let's be exciting. Let's go with green. Okay, so you can do front and you can do back, and this red square here shows you exactly where you can put your design. So we're going to hit done, and then we're going to go to add text. Okay, so you could have whatever text you wanted in here, and so obviously this is not a design tutorial, so I'm not going to do anything exciting. I'm literally just going to type Ryan and Sam, and then I'm going to drag it back. Oh, I've got an S in my name, as a Sasm. Ryan and Sam, and you can change the size of it down here, whether you want a big one, small one, and you can also rotate it if you wanted to have it on an angle. But like I said, we're just going to be boring, and I'm just going to literally show you how you can do it with text. Obviously you've got the option, should you wish, to put images in there. So you could use a design program, like if you've got Photoshop, you could use Photoshop. There's also design applications out there that are free, like GIMP and Canva. They're all places that you could actually throw together a pretty nifty design, something that's a bit quirky, put on there that you've not seen before, unique. Maybe it's something you've never found on a t-shirt and you've actually wanted to buy. So I'm sure you've got a bunch of ideas that you can use to design t-shirts with, or any kind of product that is available here on Teespring. Now, like I said, Ryan and Sam, really boring. We can change the colour of the text as well. We go up here, we could change it to, let's go with that, okay? So Ryan and Sam, and then we can make it bold, we can make it italic, and we can underline it, okay? So we've got Ryan and Sam there. And then let's add an image. Now it'll take you into your computer, and you can choose whatever images you've got. So if you've got your design already done from Canva or GIMP or Photoshop, if you have it, then you can just upload that, and then you can go on the back and you can put some more text in there. We'll go add text again, and this time we're gonna do that. It's a little bit big, so we're gonna change it so it'll fit. And actually, let's put that on an angle like that. Make it a little bit bigger. You can make it bold, make it italic, underline it. Just take the italic off there and just do that. Fits on perfectly like that. So you set your price, and the price that you set for what you want in profit, okay? So it tells you if you sell it here for $21.99, your profit on this sale will be $9.22. So they're going to deduct the cost of the t-shirt, they're going to give you the profit. So basically what happen is somebody will come along, they'll like your t-shirt, oh wow, look at that, really great design, gonna buy it, $21.99, and as soon as they do, $9.22 is yours, and you have done nothing but design it and make it available for sale on your site. And then there is also products that are fulfilled from the EU, and it also tells you there as well your profit you make and the cost. You can see there $23.99. If this is fulfilled in Europe, somebody from Europe chooses to buy your product, they're going to sell for $23.99. You're going to make an €8.11 profit, and that will get paid directly to you, and all you've done is create. And other people have gone and bought what you've designed. To me, this is absolutely perfect way to make money right from home. All you've got to do then is drive traffic. So you can use Facebook, you can use Twitter, Instagram, YouTube. There are various different ways for you to do that. Now there is another site very similar to Teespring, and it's called Viral Style. Now I've already started something on Viral Style. I'm just going to click over there and show you whilst we're here, because it's another way you can use to make money. It's doing exactly the same thing. You're going to set up your own little store inside of Viral Style, and you are going to sell products in the same way. So you can see I've already designed this. It says Ryan and Sam. Now this one's really good. I'm going to go back to design, add artwork or upload image, but here you can see artwork. You can enter an icon, and I just put a little horse on there, but you can put anything that you want on there. So I know, let's just type in love and see what we get. And you get a bunch of love hearts, kisses, just absolutely bunches here to choose from. Let's go with this cuddly bear that's cuddling himself. And I'm going to put that in there. Just for this, we're going to go cute. I'm just going to slap that right in the middle there. I've got Ryan and Sam, a nice little horse up there, and that yellow. Okay, so like that, beautiful. And then you click on next. So you choose your price on the next page here. So you click on next, takes you to pricing and products. So you choose what you want to sell it for. You change your price here, and it'll tell you. So if I change this to $5, it'll tell me I'm not going to make any profit because it's actually costing less than the base price, what it's going to cost Viral Style to produce it. So you can see minimum selling price is $12.50 to cover the cost of the tea to you. So if you put in $13, you're going to make 50 cents. And you can see there, if you sell one, that's your profit. If you sell 10, your profit's $5. 25 items, your profit is $12.50. 50 items, and your profit is $47, and so on and so forth. And then it tells you how much you'll make. If you sold 488 items, and you'll make 1,171. So obviously you're not going to do it just for 50 cents. You want to get a bit more money than that, right? So let's just go and be conservative at $5. We don't want to, like, you know, oh, I am sorry, I typed in that as a profit. So $5, so we want $17.50, and that's your profit per item. If you sell 100 items, you're making $628. $628 for doing not a lot, really. You're going to have a play around, create some designs, and then you're going to sell it. So as you can see, it is a really nifty way to make some extra money. Even if you don't have great design skills, you can just do text, you can do, you know, come up with some funky ideas text-wise. There is a bunch of different ideas out there that you can take from and just create your own kind of version of it. Okay, so once you've got your pricing and all of your styles set up, you've got your design set, you've got your pricing set, the next thing you want to do is you want to launch a product. So we can either click launch up here, or we can go down and we can hit next. That takes us to the final page where you're going to name your product. So you're going to give it a title, you're going to give it a description, you can change the font. Here you can add an image, and you're basically just going to tell them why they should buy your product. You have a URL that's already set there. That's where you will send your buyers to view your campaign. So this is what the link that you can share. You customize your campaign. You can choose like what it is, what your niche is, and then you can add tags. You can send, if you have an email list set up. So this is something that I would advise that you do, because it helps you to make sales to customers that have already purchased from you, and you get repeat customers this way. You can offer them discounts, You can let them know when you're running promotions. You can just keep in contact with them, send them an email after they've purchased and like ask them how the service was, is everything okay? Just keep up with good customer service and you're going to get recurring sales from the same people. Okay, so email list, you can read how it works and just with the question mark here, and it tells you how you can set up your email list to viral style. Then you choose your campaign length. You choose the date you want it to end, and it'll give you a total of how many days it is, and it tells you here how long it's going to take for the orders to arrive. You've got advanced here, but we're not going to go into that today because this is just how you can get started with this. And then you hit the I've read terms and conditions and you hit launch. I'm not going to press the button obviously because I haven't set mine up ready to launch. I'll go and show you on Teespring as well how that works. So if I go back to the page we were on before, which was here. So once you've got your design set up, the same as viral style, you get your pricing in and then you can choose the product colours available. Okay, so you may want to have it available in just one colour, or you might want to have it in 6 colours. Now this is one of the tips I can give you is what are the most popular colours that are selling at the moment. So if you make these colours available, they're going to sell really well. That's what's selling really well for other people. So the main colours are, and I'll go through and click them for you so that you can see and come back and take a note of this should you need to. So the best colours in this order are black, navy, white and grey. They are the best 4 colours, followed by red, blue, green and purple. They're your best colours, so you just tick them all and then all those colours are available on the product that you've created for sale. Okay, now remember, some colours, it says here, certain colours are only filled within the US. So you can check and see which ones are and which ones aren't, but I believe all these colours here are fulfilled in the US and in the EU. So then you hit done. Okay, so we know what colours are good and we know what colours are going to sell well, but what products sell well? What are the best selling products right now on Teespring? Well, the best selling products are t-shirts, hoodies, women's t-shirts, die cut stickers and mugs, and you can customize all of those with whatever designs you wish. If you want to make sure that you've got some good products out there, the products that are already selling well for other people and colours, then try and stick with something similar to that. But obviously you've got your own niche and you want to sell things that fall into your niche, things that are going to be what your customers are looking for. So if they don't fall into your niche, then that's absolutely fine. But just bear in mind the things that are selling well, and that'll help you get off the ground and start selling your products. Now, one of the good ways to sell your products is to actually create a Facebook page, and you start inviting people to your page, and you can promote your page, you can boost posts on your page, and it's a really good way to get a good following. You can promote your URL on that page as well, do some snazzy posts, some like cool designs, and just get it out there. So they're the 2 sites I wanted to talk to you about today and give you the ideas of how you can use that to make yourself some money right from home, and it's going to be a great way for you to make some extra money. Now, if you enjoyed this video and if it gave you some extra ideas or sparked an idea in your mind, let me know below, because I do like to know if you've enjoyed the video and whether it's helped you in any way. Also, subscribe to the channel while you're here. Make sure you hit the bell notification so that you don't miss a video each and every time we come out with them. That is all I have for this video, guys, so take care, enjoy the rest of your day, make it epic, and I will see you on the next video.